Hey.
We'll have 4 lanes.
Look at this guy.
What up?
Defending champion.
Doesn't feel like it though, because we've bowled so little in between. But
regardless,
my face is up there, so that's kind of cool.
True.
Yeah.
How you feeling?
I don't know. We'll see. A lot of games.
Okay.
We're just trying to stay patient.
Okay.
We haven't even started yet, and I'm like, okay, just chill down, like, you know, just relax.
I like it.
Yeah.
Let's get
What about
it.
you?
I don't know. Kind of the same.
Yeah.
Just trying to bowl.
A little pitch black action today?
Probably not.
Yeah, okay.
I didn't even bring it out.
Yeah, Jesper's gonna be throwing pitch black. I know that.
Don't let me down, Darren. Don't let me down.
I think I need to go get it now. Can't let Jesper down. Big suck. Yo, this guy had 868 today. He's a monster.
Good start. Hot start.
Yeah, I need some of that.
I need some more.
Well, yep, bad start today. 90 over first block. The pace is about 230 something, and we are going to need a lot of strikes this block. So we're about 80 out of the number. We just gotta start chipping away. Right, Prather?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got phase 2 here. Hopefully this will be okay on the fresh. Give us something. Hopefully something. I don't even know if the ball was in the frame.
Probably not. It didn't look like it was.
Oh well, here. If you want to talk to the camera, there you go. I'll make some balls.
What up, peeps? I don't really want to talk to you guys, but hope you're enjoying the video.
Here we go. Yeah. What did we do today? We bowled 12 games today, qualifying. We're halfway through. I'm about 50 out. Nick's about 100 out.
Yeah, 113.
The scores are very high, so we need to strike a lot tomorrow.
We like house shots.
It doesn't feel like a house shot, I'm not gonna lie.
Really?
Not to, I mean, I'm not averaging 250, so it doesn't feel like a house
Well,
shot.
I'm averaging 218, and that's my house shot average.
Oh, well, I guess I'm just a house bowler then. It's not a house shot, bro. It's not a house shot. Anyways, we got 12 more games tomorrow, and they cut the top 24. We're both gonna make it. Calling it now.
Let's go.
Yeah, you're not going home early.
Okay, fine. Sign me up. Twist my arm.
Let's go. Hell yeah. We'll see you tomorrow. Day 2. Feeling a little better. I think we're gonna get some good bowling in. The boys are in the distance. BJ's bowling really good. Drilled a new ball for today, Flux Pearl. We don't make that one anymore, so don't try to buy it unless you want to buy one on eBay. And let's get it. 100 over.
I did it. I told you I was gonna do. Well, you said it.
I did say it.
So, with the 202 the last game.
Yeah, you're nasty.
Then
Heads
there's
up.
this guy.
He's just bowling good. That's just
Yeah, I'm
good.
just bowling.
He's got a lot of haters to prove wrong.
Yeah.
He's not good enough to defend.
Oh yeah, you didn't hear about that.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did.
You want to give him a shout out though?
Nah, I don't remember the guy's name. It's
Well,
fine.
you don't need to give the exact name. You can
Yeah.
just say, hey, haters.
Nah, it's fine. They know.
like
Not yet.
Bigger person, bigger person.
Yeah, they know.
Well, I bowled really bad, so it's time to bowl really good. 70 out of the number. We're drilling a ball. I don't know if it's the right ball or not, but we're drilling something. We got to do something. Richie Tits.
Hello.
The people don't know what that means, and that's okay.
That's fantastic.
It's our little secret.
It's all just a secret.
Good luck today.
Thank you.
Well, guys, the cut was plus 516. Scores weren't very high today, but I paced the field and I needed to beat the field by about 100. So I missed the cut by 50-ish, missed cashing it by about 30, and I felt like I bowled terrible. Given bowling bad and I almost still caught a check, I don't feel terrible about. I do feel terrible about missing the cut, but Nick made it. Who else made it? BJ made it. We got some guys in there from the house, so. Unfortunately, won't be able to film in there because of COVID restrictions. They want as few people in there as possible. But that's gonna do it for the TOC for me. I'm gonna see you guys probably in Ohio. I'm gonna go hang out with Mikey, play with his new dog. Maybe we'll do a pro shop type deal vlog. So I don't know if Nick's wearing a shirt. He's not wearing a shirt.
God dang it!
You got a little flash. Anyways, we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.